Hey everyone, welcome back to the Feral Backpacker channel. Thanks for joining me. In a couple days I'm going to be starting the Florida Trail, which is around 1,100 miles to complete, and I'm really looking forward to that. I haven't done a through hike in, I don't know, about 8 months. Some of you that have joined me before, the last one I did was the Fisherman's Trail over in Portugal, except this one is going to be 10 times longer than that one. So this is by far going to be my longest through hike I've done, so I'm really looking forward to challenging myself with that. And I've always wanted to do the Florida Trail. I'm a Florida native. As backpackers, we know what being connected out in nature does for us. That's why I'm dedicating this journey to support our fellow veterans and show the healing power of being in the outdoors. My wife and I founded Warriors in the Wild. It's a nonprofit organization dedicated to providing transformative outdoor experiences for veterans. As veterans ourselves, we know firsthand how the outdoors can bring peace and renewal, and we're committed to sharing that with others. This journey is about raising funds to connect more veterans with nature and help them find solace and camaraderie in the wild. Please consider donating. So I'm going to set out to do that in a couple days. And since I'm setting out in a couple days, I'm in the process of packing, and I said, well, it'd probably be a good opportunity to just go over a little bit of my pack out. This is kind of what I've come up with for my list. Kind of doing it a lot with the stuff that I have. I mean, there's probably some better gear and some lighter gear to use, but at this point, due to time and due to budget, I'm just going to do it with what I have. So let's take a look. Got a couple pairs of shorts, a pair of pants, head net for all the mosquitoes that I plan on encountering. I have my Dry Fox towel, a couple shirts, a couple pairs of socks, a couple pairs of underwear, my puff jacket. I have a ULA Catalyst bag with my food bag, my mid-layer, rain gear. I have rain pants and a rain jacket. Taking a beanie with me and a boonie cap. I'm going to be using a Rab 10 degree down bag on this trip as it gets colder as I'm pushing north. I have a Nemo tent. I've had this many years. I actually had to redo some of the shot cord and the tent poles, and they were great. They sent me the shot cord, got it within a week. Was able to run it through there, and it's working great now. My tent stakes, tent footprint, my inflatable mattress, use of spades, deodorant. I have a little emergency blanket, Luco tape. I have my charging bank just for all my stuff, Garmin inReach, and a little flashlight, and my headlamp, taking a buff, and a little thing of toothpaste and a little toothbrush. For my water, I'm going to be using the Sawyer Squeeze, but Platypus came out with a similar product that I'm curious to try out and see how it works and compare it to the Sawyer. And it'll also be a little backup for me. For cooking, I have a little Snow Peak cup with my Pocket Rocket stove. And for my coffee in the morning, I'm going to try out these little tea bag things, but I'm going to put the coffee in there, some sweetened condensed milk. And then for my food, ran into a person, he owns Mamu's Camp Kitchen. Now, just for comparison, they are a little bigger than Packet Gourmet, but I'm definitely curious to try these out. He's an actual chef, and I love the food from down in Louisiana, and this is, for instance, this is a breakfast scramble one, but it's got all natural ingredients, and it's good to go. I'm also going to be trying out for the first time cold soaking. So I've never done that before. Curious if you guys have done that. If you can let me know in the comments what you thought and how that worked out, that'd be great. Just going to try it out because it is something you can do that will reduce some of the stuff you have to carry. And there's some other benefits to it. So going to be the first time trying that out. For breakfast, I'm just going to be doing some tortillas with peanut butter and honey. It's nice and quick, lots of calories. And then I have a little snack bag with some cashews, some tea, and some beef sticks, some ginger, little ginger snacks. That's going to be it for pretty much food. I've heard a lot of things about wool undergarments and underwear, so I'm going to try out these smart wool ones on this trip. I've never had these before. We're going to be trying that out specifically. I'm so excited to share my journey on the Florida Trail with you all. Whether you're a seasoned thru hiker or just starting out, I hope you'll find something to enjoy in this series. I'd love to hear from those who have already completed this amazing trek, and hope that you will share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to follow along on my adventure. See you on the trail.